With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, so let's start the question. The question says, we're given two statements, assertion and reason. The assertion says, resolving power of a microscope can be increased by choosing a medium of higher refractive index between object and objective lens. Reason, to increase resolving power of a microscope, usually in oil having refractive index close to that of the objective glass is used. We are given four options. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true and R is false. Both A and R are false. So we must know what the resolving power of a microscope actually is. The resolving power of a microscope is the reciprocal of the least separation between two close objects so that they appear just separate when seen through the microscope. Okay, now the resolving power Rp of a microscope could be written to be equal to 1 by D. Okay, and what is D? D is the least separation between 2 point objects so that they are just seen as separate. Okay, so 1 by D is equal to 2n into sine theta divided by 1.22 into lambda. Now, what is this n and lambda? N is the refractive index of the medium, that is between the object and the objective lens. Okay, and lambda is the wavelength of the light used in that particular medium, which happens to be in between the object and the objective lens. Okay, so from this equation we can say that the resolving power is directly proportional to refractive index of the medium, or we can say that as the refractive index increases, the resolving power also increases. The assertion is a true statement. Okay, the resolving power of a microscope can be increased by choosing a medium of higher refractive index between the object and the objective lens. So, as we choose a medium of higher refractive index, the resolving power also increases. That can be clearly seen from this equation. And now, the reason is to increase the resolving power of a microscope, usually an oil having refractive index close to that of the objective glass is used. Now, this cannot be taken as a reason for the assertion statement. Why? Because we usually use oil immersion technique in order to increase the resolving power of a microscope. That is a true statement, but this is not the reason for this assertion. Okay. Rather, we can say that the reason statement that is given here can be taken as the assertion, and the assertion statement that is given here can be taken as the reason for this one. Okay, so we can say that both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. If it was the other way around, the reason statement was the assertion one and the assertion statement was the reason one, then we could have chosen the first option, that is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. But here the reason statement is not the reason for the assertion. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.